Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you a fast and efficient way to copy a program update from one project to another without using any complex formulas. The key here is that both projects have the same activity IDs. Our first step is to get the updated data out of our source project. We're going to export this information directly into an Excel file. This gives us a clean and editable snapshot of our program update ready for the next step. Just go to your export function, select the columns you need, make sure you include the WBS code, and save the file. Now, for the most critical part of the process, open the Excel file you just exported. Find the WBS code column. You'll notice the project ID is embedded in this code. We're going to use Excel's simple Find and Replace feature to swap out the old project ID with the new one. This is a powerful, single action that will link all of our updates to the new project. No need for VLOOKUP or any other complicated formulas. Once you've replaced the project ID, save the Excel file. Now simply go to your destination project and use the import function. Select the file you just saved. The system will automatically recognize the updated activities and apply the changes. You'll see all your updates instantly appear in the correct spots. And that's it. A quick, easy, and formula-free way to transfer program updates. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you save some time.